So, what is inflation? Inflation is an increase in the general price level of goods and services in an economy. When the general price level rises, each unit of currency buys fewer goods and services. So therefore, inflation corresponds to a reduction in the purchasing power of money. And so the causes of inflation is basically when it's like the prices rise due to the increase in production costs, such as raw materials and wages. And so some of the benefits are when the economy is not running at all capacity, mean there is unused labor or resources inflation. Theoretically, it helps increase the production. So what could be some challenges is raising the cost of living. The interest rates shoot up, and then that hurts the growth of and it hurts the growth of stocks and bonds. And what could be some strategies that might help with inflation? And that would be a big one to me is that you should invest in yourself. And then limit your wants, as in shopping smarter, not just going out and blowing money on stupid stuff. You can need to create a budget and then stick to it, just to follow one, save money, know how you're spending money, where your money's going, and earn interest on your cash, and have a wide range in the things you invest in. So a big variety, not just investing in cars, and that only be the only way you invest. So, yeah.